Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Dunlap, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move takes place over a distance of 50 miles or more. 3 Movers specializes in long distance relocations, and we have a variety of moving vehicles available, all of which are capable of transporting your stuff over 50 miles. Our movers will help you organize and load your items, and our drivers are professionals who are well versed in the safest and most efficient routes. We have a great relationship with the state and federal relocation agencies and are completely licensed to transport your items. We also have standard insurance in place to cover any potential risks. A local move takes place within 50 miles of your current residence. Because of the short distance, you may want to explore a do-it-yourself local relocation. It's not always ideal to organize a local action by yourself or with the support of unskilled people. If the protection of your belongings is a top consideration, you should contact local professional movers. The cost of moving by yourself is a major consideration for many people. The good news is that Local Movers provides the most affordable local relocations in Dunlap, Indiana. We also want residents to have access to the best moving services at the most affordable prices. That's why our hourly rates range from $30 to $40. Our local relocations are efficient, thorough, and sufficient. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Dunlap moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Request a free quote using our online request form.